Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we'll see that how you can replace any of the switch of your scooter. And here I am having Honda Activa 125. So there is two methods. The first one is either you have to open this complete assembly, headlight assembly. For that you have to remove this mirror, then screws. That will be very long method. And the other method is you have to simply break this old switch. This old switch is damaged and this self switch is not working properly. So I simply have to remove this switch. So I am simply taking out this old switch. I have to take this one outside and be careful, don't break other things. So you have to be careful, and before working on this one must remove the key from here. Yes, I think now it is ready to come outside. You can see here. Yeah, and carefully take this outside. Yes, so in this way you can take this old switch outside. And here is our new switch assembly, and you can see its part number and cost. It is 65 rupees, which is very costly. And here is our new switch assembly. You can see here how it is working. Okay, so we remove this lock. Okay, there, while remove, just we buckle it inside while removing. So now we are putting this new one. So yeah, see the direction first. So here if you are seeing, these 2 points are there inside. So this side will go inside like this. Okay, yes, perfect. Okay, and now we have to put it back inside. It's installed perfectly. So in this way you can install any switch. No need to remove the headlight assembly. You can just install it from this side itself. And now we have to test it. Yeah, it is working perfectly. So in this way you can replace any switch. So even if you are having a scooter, any scooter, the method is same for all scooter. You can remove the old switch like this and you can put the new switch. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family. And at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.